Exosomes are everywhere in skincare right now, promising healthier, younger looking skin. But the real questions are, do they actually work? Hi, I'm Dr. Sejal, and today we'll be talking showing you exosome treatment. Come. Exosomes are tiny, naturally occurring messengers released by cells. They carry proteins, growth factors, and signaling molecules that helps the skin communicate, repair, and regenerate. As a doctor, I never recommend anything to my patients unless I truly believe in it. So today, instead of explaining it to you, I'm experiencing the exosome treatment myself. First, we cleanse the skin to prepare it for treatment. This allows controlled microchannels so the skin can absorb actives effectively to stimulate skin renewal and improve overall texture. This is where the exosomes are delivered deep into the skin precisely and safely to enhance penetration and activate cellular repair. Because protection is just as important as treatment. Safe, scientific, effective. That's how we do exosome treatment at InUrSkn. I trust our treatments and I trust my team with my skin and yours.